This is John Chapaniak with SkipperBud's out of our Grand Haven location. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this very gently used 2019 Glastron 205GTSF. This boat is equipped with your Sport Fish package. You will notice it's got a beautiful jet black hull with a white bottom. Underneath the boat, it has a tandem axle swing tongue trailer, which is very convenient for storage purposes. Very shiny. You will notice it's got a Minn Kota up here on the bow with iPilot, 70-pound thrust. There's multiple notable features on this boat and upgrades that we'll talk about as we continue to do a walkthrough. One of the first items we'll discuss is the extended swim platform here off the back, which is awesome for days out at the lake. It gives you a whole lot more room for entertainment. It's a great spot for the kids to be hanging out, especially when you're sitting there floating around at the sandbar or you're anchored. Very nice and spacious sun pad here. Good area to get some sun and lay out. Off to the starboard side of the boat, you do have a telescoping ladder. Give you easy access in and out of the boat. All right, let's go ahead and hop inside and we'll go over some of the features inside. All right, now we are looking at the back end of the 2019 Glastron 205GTSF. Again, you have a very spacious sun pad here to lay out. Notable feature is your starboard entrance here. Makes it nice not having to step on the upholstery. It'll save some wear and tear over the years, giving you easy access, especially if you're carrying bags or snacks for your day out on the water. You're a little bit more sturdy. As we head into the boat, one thing you'll notice is a different configuration off to the aft end here. This Glastron Sport Fish Edition is a great dual purpose boat. It gives you fishability, but also gives you the opportunity to enjoy lake days with the family. So on the port side of the boat, you'll see you have a fishing seat in at the moment, and then 3 bottom seats along the bench side. You can remove the fishing seat and put a 4th cushion down to make a large bench for your days out at the lake with the family. Or let's say you're going fishing and you don't need those seats, you can actually remove this starboard seat here and put a 2nd fishing seat in. Upgraded stereo system with LED lighting in the back. You have stainless steel package, so you'll notice your stainless steel grab handles, as well as stainless steel cup holders throughout. Bolster seating on both your captain's chair and your co-captain's chair. Glastron did a nice job of paying attention to detail with their diamond stitching. For a dual purpose boat, this boat has plenty of rod storage. You have 3 rod holders off to the port side of the boat. And not only do you have great storage in the swim locker here, you have an additional 4 rod holders inside here as well. So not only could you put your water toys, your skis, your tubes in here, but you can also stow away additional fishing equipment. You have all your controls at the helm, your blower, your bilge pump, your nav and courtesy lights. You have an additional remote for the radio. Inside your glove box here is storage in the head unit, as well as some charging ports. You do have a walk-through windshield, and this boat comes with a bow and cockpit cover. So early spring, late fall, those chillier nights that you want to go do a sunset cruise, you can flop the center windshield over, and you can actually put the bow cover on and eliminate air coming underneath to keep you warm. You will notice that you have your bow filler cushion in right now. There's great storage all the way around. And then your 2 speakers up in the bow. Also with the boat, as mentioned, you have your Minn Kota, your iPilot control, but a Lowrance 9-inch chart plotter. Cup holders up in the front. Your controls for your Minn Kota. The canvas on this boat matches the jet black. It's a black bow and cockpit cover, as well as a black bimini top and boot. Again, this is a 2019 Glastron 205GTSF. One thing that we didn't mention throughout this video is when you remove the bow filler cushion, there is a pedestal seat, fishing seat, that can be added here, so that when you do go out fishing, you can hook up your pedestal seat and get a little bit more elevation. This boat is listed out of SkipperBud's in Grand Haven. For additional information or questions or to schedule a showing, please call SkipperBud's at 616-997-2628. Again, 616-997-2628.